Moving forward, let's solve question number 3 of exercise 1.1 real numbers. The question says an army contingent of 616 members is to march behind an army band of 32 members in a parade. The two groups are to march in the same number of columns. What is the maximum number of columns in which they can march? Friends, whenever such type of question is asked in which you have to find the number of columns or the groups in which have the same number of columns, this type of question will always lead into finding out the HCF. And as we are doing the Euclid's division method, so we will follow the same thing and we'll find out the HCF. Now, for the solution, we have to see that of which two numbers we need to find the HCF. We have to find the HCF of 616 and 32. Okay, so as Euclid's division the equation is A equals to BQ plus R. Okay, and now let us do the division. For dividing, we will see that which number is greater. So clearly we can see that 616 is greater than 32. Yeah, so 662 will become the dividend, 616 will become the dividend and 32 will become the divisor. Now for 61, if 32 one time is 32 and this will give us remainder as 29. Now this 6 will come down here and and 9 times of 32 will give us 288. Now if we subtract, we'll get it as 8. As we can see that 32 is greater than 8 and hence our rule of making 32 the divisor as the dividend arises. Okay, and now 4 times of 8 gives us 32, which is 0 remainder and the required condition. So now we can do it by substituting the values. A is 616 is equals to B is 32 into 19 plus what is the remainder? The remainder we got was 8. As 8 is not equal to 0, hence we'll go to the step 2 where 32 is the dividend and 8 being the divisor, the quotient is 4 and the remainder is 0 and we'll get the answer. So what will be the answer? The HCF is 8. Remember, whenever the last step in which we get 0 as our remainder, that B, or you can see from here the divisor, is the HCF for the numbers which we are targeting, and hence the last divisor for which we got a 0 remainder was 8, and so the HCF will become 8. So we can write that the maximum number of columns in which they can march is, just give the same statement in your answer and write, is 8. Okay, and hence this is the answer. Thank you so much for watching my video. Do subscribe and share.